Hey my cookies, here's my version of the marry me chicken recipe, and y'all, it's gonna get you kissed in the mouth, okay? Start with thinly sliced chicken breasts. They're boneless and skinless. I'm going to add a little bit of mayo. No, you won't be able to taste it. Just trust me, it's going to make it juicy. That's my spice blend. Don't worry, I have the ingredients and measurements in the recipe link. Just go ahead and mix everything together very well. Marinate for 20 minutes. And now we can heat some olive oil, and we're going to cook our chicken for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, just until that chicken is cooked all the way through. Be very careful not to overcook the chicken. Set it aside to keep warm. Now add some minced shallots and some butter. While the butter melts, we're going to add in our chopped sun-dried tomatoes, crushed red pepper flakes, and also Italian seasoning. Stir that together really, really well. Now we're going to sprinkle in a little bit of all-purpose flour to give that sauce some body. We didn't dredge the chicken in it. I like this way better. Pour in that chicken stock, bring it to a simmer. Add in this stuff, the Boursin cheese. It melts like a dream. Then we're going to pour in a little bit of heavy whipping cream, give it a stir, add the chicken back into the party. We're going to add some fresh basil and let it all simmer for 5 minutes, and then it's time to serve. I serve mine over garlic mashed potatoes. Pasta works amazing as well. I hope you guys try my version because it's the best. You're going to love it. Be blessed.